40 10-meter combination fan dipole antenna was having problems for the past few days and I wanted to repair it. I always had a tough time soldering antenna connectors with either my 25 watt iron or 65 watt soldering iron. So I went out and bought this 100 watt soldering iron for soldering antenna connectors. This is much better, I feel. I don't know whether I'll have to go for further higher powers. I have seen some of the hams having still higher power soldering irons, at least in videos. But anyway, this was useful for me today evening to remove the old PL259 connector from my fan dipole antenna and solder a new PL259 connector in its place. So I'm happy with it.